Morning from Grand Plain Farm. It's October 18th, 2025, around 11:30 or so. And Spaz is chasing a mouse. Sally's on this side of the fence, trying to get it. Little mouse just sitting there, kind of afraid. Well, Sally's got it. Yeah, Billy Goat being mean to my pig. I'm down here trying to organize some of the feed, get some of the stuff out of the weather. It's supposed to rain today. It's like 50 degrees right now with a slight breeze, and it's been pretty dark all morning, even though the weather said it was sunny. And I guess it was sunny on top of the clouds. Down here it's been pretty dark. It's brightened up a couple times. Nothing to keep you warm. My wife's heading to town to get some tarps for this firewood. So basically we're just getting ready for the wet season. Always working on Saturday.